Alright, hello, my name is Nicholas, and I'm going to be doing midterm number 2, problem 5. So the problem says an ideal battery maintains a potential difference of 60 volts across two resistors in series. Then a voltmeter with a total resistance of 30 ohms is connected to point B and to the high voltage of 60 volts. And the problem asks, what is the reading on the voltmeter? So what we do know is the voltmeter has a resistance of 30 ohms. Yeah, 30 ohms. So let's write that down. And then, so you have to find what's the reading of the voltmeter. So a voltmeter reads the voltage in between these 2 points. So we're trying to find that. What we do know is that the resistor here and the voltmeter are in parallel. Yeah, they're in parallel. So to find the equivalent resistance of these two resistors, we can write 1 over 300 plus 1 over 400 equals 1 over the resistance. Oops, that's not right. The resistance, the equivalent resistance. And that works out to be, you can write it down. That turns out to be 171 ohms. So now that we found the equivalent resistance of these two resistors, we can write the circuit to be just two resistors in parallel. So this resistor here represents these two resistors. So this resistor has 171 ohms, and this one has 700 ohms. Now, what you can do here is you can solve for the total resistance of all three of these resistors, which I will set to be R equals, so it's just these two added together, which results in, let me get my calculator out, 871 ohms. Now that you found the total resistance, you can solve for the current that goes through all these resistors through V equals I R, with V being 60, I being your unknown, and the total resistance being R. So this is 871. I turned out to be, well, there's no real good number for it, so it's just going to be, we're just going to say it's 60 over 871. Now you can use this current, you can plug it back in. You can plug back in to V equals IR, but you can find the voltage between 60 and B by only using this resistor and cutting out this resistor completely. So we'll do it over here because I'm running out of space. V equals I, which is 60 over 871. And we're going to multiply that by 171. And this turns out to be about 11.7, which is just about 12. And that's the answer. Thank you for watching. Stop.